Hey guys, welcome to day 17 of Codeforces Everyday Until GM. Today we are going to be doing some more Codeforces, just on the training sheet, I guess. Apparently I've already done this problem, so we'll pull up the next one. We'll do one page A and then one page B or something. See how we do. Yep, I have not done this one yet. Let me just close out of this one, close out of this, and let's get started. Free ice cream. 686A. Free ice cream. I love ice cream. Too bad it's cold right now. But I will never say no to some ice cream. What's y'all's favorite flavor of ice cream? Let me know down in the comments below. Rating 800. Always a good warm-up problem. Okay, so these two people return home sometimes to give free ice cream to kids. At the start of the day, they have X packs, and people start standing in queue before they even start. Each person in the queue wants to either take several packs or to give several packs to them. Oh, carriers that, yeah, okay, I see. If a carrier with the ice cream packs comes to the house, then Kay and Gerda take all his packs. If a child wants to take the ice cream packs to the house, then we'll give them D packs if they have enough ice cream. Otherwise, the child will get no ice cream at all and will leave in distress. If he wants to find the ice cream they will have after all people leave the queue. And Gerda wants to find them distressed kids. Okay. Okay. Print out two integers, number of ice cream packs left, and kids in distress. So the first line takes in two integers, x and or in and x. Map int input dot split. Each of the next n lines contains a character plus or minus separated by d. Okay. Plus means we add. What is x? Character with the ice cream packs occupies the ith place from the start of the queue. Minus means child. So plus is a carrier, minus is a child. What is x? I'm assuming it's the amount of ice cream to start with. Initially they have 7 packs. Now they have 12 packs. Kid asked for 10 packs and received. Okay, I see. So x is the amount they start with. 5 is the amount of, this is the length of queue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So for I in, for underscore in range n, um, operation and d map. Okay, well the first one is a string, so it's int, or it's input dot split. Okay. Okay. Map string input dot split d equals int d. There we go. If operation equals plus, it's a carrier, x plus equals d, else x minus equals d. Print x. Oh. Distress equals 0. Okay. And then we need to add an if statement here. If x is greater if x is greater than 0, print or if x is greater than 0, x minus equals d. Wait, hold on. X is greater than or equal to d. X minus d equals d, else distress plus equals 1. Remove this. Okay, there we go. $22. Oh, print x distress. Three, 2. Yeah, okay. Wasn't bad. free ice cream. So there we go. That's a question down. One submission for both of these. Difficulty. I don't even remember this question. It was. Oh, this one was easy. Know yourself, yes. Strings. And free ice cream was constructive algo and implement. So it's the same as this one. Alrighty. Let's do a page B question. Burglar and matches, 900 rated. Plus 16B burglar and matches dot pi. Rating 900. A burglar got into a matches warehouse and wants to steal as many matches as possible. In the warehouse there are M containers. In the ith container there are A matchboxes. Each matchbox contains B matches. The same size rucksack can hold N matchboxes. Find the maximum amount of matches that a burglar can carry away. There's no time to rearrange the matches in the boxes, that's why he just chooses not more than N matchboxes so that total amount of matches in them is just maximum. The first line of input contains integer N and M. The I plus 1th line contains A and B. Huh? There's greedy implementation sortings. In the warehouse there are M containers. The ith container there are AI matchboxes. Each matchbox contains what is N? N is maximum amount of matches that a brewer can carry away. So you can hold 7 match boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 match boxes. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, I see how it's greedy. I see why it's sorting now. So what we can do is have an array of matches. List matches dot append this. And then okay. Matches wait a second. Why don't I use like a dictionary? And then we sort the keys in the dictionary. We do key value. We sort by keys, and then we use as many as the largest values we can. Okay, matches. From collections, import default dict, default dict, Python default dict. Matches default dict int. Then matches B, matches A, matches P plus equals A. It should handle like same amounts. Then we sort the default dict by key. So like is sorted matches is equal to sorted vault dict or sorted matches dot item. Alright. Now matches dot key. There should be keys, and then we should loop through for box and sorted matches. We can also track a blueprint, which would be boxes. Wait, what are we trying to print out? The test matches. Okay. Blueprint equals 0. While n is greater than 0, hello? Why's my tab key not working? I don't know what's going on with this key, but whatever. Oh, that's strange. Yeah, I don't know. It shouldn't be doing that. Maybe I'll reset VS Code after this problem. But, okay, so while n is greater than 0 for box and sorted matches, wait, hold on. Do I even need this? This is actually pretty annoying. I'm just gonna start it. There we go. For box and sorted matches. Wait, so I need to hit in. Look in. pylon, and the only move the player can do is jump from the current pylon to the next one. Just to note its number as K, and the next one as K plus 1. When the player has made such a move, its energy increases by HK minus HK plus 1. If this value is negative, the player loses energy. The player must have non-negative amount of energy. Okay. 0 and 0 energy. Pay a single dollar to increase the height of any pylon by 1. We use this opportunity several times, but doesn't want to spend too much money. Minimal amount of money he must pay to reach the end of the game. Basically, this game's pay to win. First line of input, that's just n equals int input. And then the second line is an array, and integers h equals list map int input dot split. And then what's the minimal amount of money you must pay to reach the end of the game? For example, we can pay $4 to increase the height of the pylon with number 0 by 4 units. 7? Okay, so what's the... n plus 1 pylon number from 0 to n. Pylon with the number 0 has 0 height. The pylon with number I has height h1. Okay. Jump from the current pylon to the next one. Its energy is increased by height k minus height k plus 1. Okay. Value of energy is negative, must be non-negative. Okay, I get it. For example, you can pay $1 to increase height of pylon with number 0 by 4 units. So 4 jump energy is 1. Or what? Is he increasing this one by 7? 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 energy. Its energy increases by... Okay. 4 minus 1, so 4 energy. 3 minus 2, 1 is 5 energy. 2 minus 4. I don't understand how this works. This is -1 energy. So we increase it by 1. 4 energy. 4 is 0 energy. 1 energy. 2 energy. 0 energy. What? In the first sample, I can pay $4. It initially stands at pylon. Is at 0 pylon and has 0 energy. Minimum dollars paid by Kaisa to win. -1, so it fails. But if we pay $1 to increase, or is it saying start at 0, have to pay, if we pay $3, pass, fail, so we pay $4, pass, with 1, -1, 1, 2, 2, pass. Oh, I see. Yeah, that is the case then. So we start at 0. Do this. There we go. And energy is equal to 0. What's the best approach to this? I guess, do we just go through, see how much we need to gain? 0 to -3. 0 to 3 is -3, -1. So that's -4, 1, 2. So -4 plus 2 is -2. Another -2. Okay, so for well, there might be impossible crosses, right? You can end up with a positive energy but have like an impossible cross somewhere down the line. So like 0 to 3 is an impossible cross. Okay, so for N, for I in range N plus 1, if HI cost. So this is the energy cost. HI plus 1 minus HI. If I plus 1 greater than or equal to n plus 1 break would just be n because it's, hold on, okay. Oh, just checking my looping indices. Okay, this should work. We should break. Else we calculate this cost variable. If cost is less than 0, then energy plus equals cost. L if else energy minus equals cost. Wait, if cost is less than 0, if energy minus cost is less than 0, okay, energy 0, money 0. Wait, if energy minus cost money equals, yeah, we gotta get it back to 0 somehow. So we would set energy to 0. Um, 0 minus, wait, so if energy minus cost is less than 0, wait, hold on. what's happening? If energy minus cost is less than 0, then we need to use money to make up for the energy with the cost. Every money decreases cost by 1, which is the equivalent of increasing energy by 1. Cost could be positive. Wait, this logic's not right. Okay, I need a whiteboard. Excalidraw. So say we have this. Zero. And then right, those are the indices. Now H1 is 0, or HI is 0. HI plus 1 is 1. So cost is HI plus 1 minus HI minus 0. So the cost here is 3. We have 0 energy. If 0 minus the cost, okay, so like say we're going from 4 to 3, plus 1 is 4, minus cost is negative 1. So, okay, yeah. So cost, wait, why am I making this so hard? Like, if I just simulate it, like, what if I just do energy plus equals this, and then if energy is negative, then like, what am I doing with cost? Energy plus equals this. If energy is less than 0, money plus equals energy, and set energy to 0. Energy is negative here, so abs energy. Set energy to 0. Else, no else, right? And then print money. Why was that so difficult? Well, because it's wrong. Getting 0 money. 0 energy somehow. So let's just print out energy. Okay, let's print out the index. Print round index, and print energy after the math, and then print energy after the balancing. Let's print energy and money here. Paste. Round 0. It takes 3 energy. Energy plus equals, so it should be minus equals because we're taking the larger number minus smaller number, or we're taking the right minus left. So this is obviously going to be positive, but this is obviously going to be negative, so we have to add the opposite. Okay, that makes sense. Paste. So this one now should be 4. I think I can get rid of these now. Quick debugging. Paste 4. Okay. See what I get. So I got a lot of tests on it. Oh, and there we go. Accepted. Alright. If y'all guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. I posted 2 more shorts earlier today. Hopefully y'all can go check those out too. And I'll see y'all guys tomorrow. Bye.